Yeah, we just found a squirrel's nest up in my woods. It's right up here. We need something to poke at it with.
Where's it at?
Okay.
Oh, there it is.
Kind of little though.
It's probably for a gray.
Yeah. 2 rounds.
That's what we're hunting with. Winchester.
It's Remington.
No, this is Winchester. It's Winchester.
Hollow points. Get a pellet out. What, did you bring a pellet gun?
Yeah. And that's my gun. Remington 597 22 LR. We also brought along a pellet gun with us. What kind of pellets are these?
Crossman Premiers.
Crossman. Hollow point?
Yeah.
And you killed a squirrel. Don't. And you killed a squirrel with this the other day?
Yeah, Monday. I shoot it. I got a perfect shot of it.
Take it. Hold on.
Camera ready?
Sure is.
Wait a second, oh god, it's moving.
Where is it? Oh, there it is. Hold on, wait a minute. Hold on, it's behind the tree. Take it. You missed.
Let's go top the mountain.
Alright.
Because that was kind of loud.
Alright. We'll be back for more video.